Tired of kinking your copper tubing every time you try to bend it? You're not alone. Today, I'm rounding up the best pipe bender options for HVAC, plumbing, and refrigeration work. We'll compare tube sizes, materials, bend angles, and durability. My quick take? The Hillmore is the best overall, but the CARVALAX kit gives you incredible value. Let's get into it. Kicking things off, the CARVALAX Pipe Tube Bender Set is a complete HVAC toolkit. It handles 7 tube sizes from 1/4 to 7/8 OD on soft copper and aluminum. The smooth ratcheting action makes bends up to 90° feel effortless. You also get a tube cutter, deburring tool, and a handy carrying case. The only catch is it won't work on steel tubing. Still, for the price, it's a fantastic value pick for beginners and pros alike. Next up is the Biaguna Pipe Bender, built for flexible HVAC work. Its standout trick is forward and reverse bending, giving you more freedom in tight spots. It handles 1.4 to 7/8 OD copper and aluminum. The compact design means easy one-hand operation when you're up on a ladder. It's limited to softer metals, so steel is off the table. But for HVAC and refrigeration jobs, it's a really handy choice. Coming in at number 3, the Vever Pipe Tube Bender is all about durability. This ratcheting set covers 1/4 to 7/8 OD copper and aluminum tubing. It delivers clean bends up to 90° with professional-grade performance. The tough construction makes it great for air conditioning and refrigeration installs. It's a bit heavier than compact models, so field techs may notice the weight. Still, for steady, reliable bends, it's a workhorse you can trust. Next on the list is the Vever Pipe Bender, a manual lever model. This one bends all the way up to 180°, giving you serious flexibility. It works on copper and aluminum for plumbing and refrigeration. The heavy-duty metal body makes precise, strong bends every time. You'll need a bit more manual force to work that lever though, but if you want bigger bend angles, this is a solid pick. Halfway through, we hit my top pick, the Hillmore Pipe Bender. This compact model covers 1/4 to 7/8 OD and comes with a reverse bending attachment. It's a dream for tight space HVAC work. It's lightweight, portable, and runs as smooth as you'd expect from a pro brand. The only downside is the premium price tag. But honestly, this is the best pipe bender on the list. Next up is the Duratec Pipe Bender, and it keeps things simple. The clear angle markings make accurate, repeatable bends easy to nail. It handles copper, brass, and aluminum tubing up to 180°. The durable steel construction holds up really well for plumbing and automotive work. It's not the best choice for really thick tubing though, but for versatile, everyday bending tasks, it's an easy tool to recommend. Coming up, the iCool Pipe Bender is made for HVAC technicians. This compact handheld tool covers 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 copper and aluminum. It bends up to a full 180° with great accuracy. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry between jobs. The size range is limited, so larger tubing is out. But for refrigeration repair and tight HVAC fixes, it's a reliable little helper. Number 8. Rigid Pipe Bender. Now for the tough guy, the Rigid Pipe Bender. This heavy-duty model handles stainless steel and copper, which most benders can't touch. It bends a half tube up to a strong 180°. The professional-grade metal frame is built to last under daily abuse. The catch? It only works with one tube size. But if you need to bend harder materials, this industry-trusted tool is the way to go. Number 9. Ecotric Tube and Pipe Bender. Almost there. The Ecotric Tube and Pipe Bender is a serious bench tool. Unlike the others, it can actually bend steel tubing thanks to its tough frame. The multiple die system lets you handle all sorts of angles. The steel body with black oxide coating screams durability for workshop use. It's a bench tool, so it's not something you'll carry around. But for metal fabrication, it's the best workshop pick here. Closing out our list, the Holdwell S ratcheting set is a comprehensive kit. It covers 1/4 to 7/8 OD copper and aluminum with a smooth ratcheting mechanism. You also get a deburring tool and carrying case. Everything stores neatly, so your gear stays organized between jobs. Like most ratcheting kits, it's made for softer metals only. But for HVAC and refrigeration work, it's a convenient, well-rounded choice. So that's my full lineup. For the best pipe bender overall, the Hillmore takes the crown, while the CARVALAX kit is unbeatable for value. All the links are in the description below. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which bender caught your eye? Drop a comment. Catch you next time.